Today we're here at Vineburg Machining in Northern Nevada, one of Northern Nevada's premier job shops. We are here to celebrate the 200,000th machine that Haas has delivered throughout the world. This is Vineburg's 7th UMC in their lineup of machines and a valued Haas customer for over 20 years. To commemorate the 200,000th machine that Haas has built and produced, the assembly team has left their mark on the machine itself.
As a thank you to Haas Automation, we decided to produce a little thank you present. The trophy was designed here and we machined it on our brand new machine.
In the early 2000s, when we moved to Carson City, we started a relationship with Haas. And ever since then, we were able to grow to fulfill our clients' needs and provide solutions. With that, we bought our first Via 3 SS, which gave us the entrance into 5-axis machining. From there, in the last decade, we were able to produce more high-end, high-tolerance products for American companies.
We decided to purchase our first UMC 750. We had a medical part with 7 operations on a vertical milling machine. The UMC 750 was able to do it in 2 operations. It reduced 30% of scrap on that part, and it was a huge time savings and cost savings to us and our customer. Currently we have 27 machines, 14 of them are Haas, and we're very happy with the service support. The machines are great. We service all kinds of industries with their equipment, and we couldn't be happier at this point.